Hey, today I'm gonna talk about the new grinder from Arccaptain. I have tested for about a week, and what I can say about it, I really like it. It's, well, I'm gonna show you. It comes with a case, nice steady case, solid. So what comes with it? First of all, super easy to put your stuff back because it's mold where the part goes, so it looks like this. Sorry, I have used it, so what it comes with: fast charger, your guard, your tool, handle, and 2 battery, 20 volt, 4 amp, lithium, 20 volt max. I have tested them for many parts that I cut, and I can say that those batteries are as good as DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita. It's very good. So 2 battery. So let's talk about some features of the grinder. Oh, also it comes with 2 cutting discs and two grinding discs. So let's talk about some features of it. First of all, one feature that I thought I was not gonna use it because to me it seems pointless, but since I have used it, I probably gonna say that is my favorite grinder for now. Lightweight. This is one feature that I like. You have a button here, you click, and you can swivel the head on both sides. So what that means, when you're grinding like that, but when you're going to cut piece, you have to move your wrist like that, like my other grinder. If I want to grind, I go that, but when I go to cut, you move your wrist. So sometimes your wrist hurts just getting the grinder that way. So with this feature, your hand is always on the same position. So you don't move your hand, go back, grind, cut. You see my hand doesn't move. And what I like about this setup of holding the press button is I can always press on it everywhere my hand is. There's no limitation of the buttons like this one. Let's say I want to check, I can move my hand 360 because there's this thing, so I can't move in a 360 move. But with this one, my hand with the button like that, you're very comfortable. You can click with it with all your thumbs, all your key. Very good handle. Another cool feature, I'm gonna put a battery on. Battery have lights, show you if they are full. And there's another cool feature on it. This grinder has variable speed, many speed, from 900,500 RPM, 6,500, and 3300. So what that means, if you want to cut, right now I'm at the max speed, but why you would wanted a grinder that goes lower speed? It's because of stuff like that. If you want to polish something that you need lower RPM, like this disc from Walter, it says around 3000, 3500 RPM. So with my normal grinder, I can use it at full speed, but manufacturer says 3000 or something like that is better. So I can do this with this grinder. I can lower the speed. So that's one other cool feature that my more expensive one does not have. And this grinder is brushless. Another plus for this one. So that's about what comes with the grinder, some of the features, and it's really lightweight too. The position of the battery, I mean, when you go in this angle, all the weight goes in here, so it's better when you're grinding rust or something like that. Really, I really don't mind holding this grinder for long. There is no vibration at all. It's a really nice grinder. I'm gonna cut a piece. Like I say, really lightweight. This grinder, you push and it locks with the button here. Cuts like butter, goes very well. I mean, for the price, under 200 bucks for all of this, brushless, lightweight, some cool features that the other grinder don't have. I mean, what you have to lose? You can work in your garage, mobile mechanic with this. I can't say anything bad about this grinder for now. So for me, it's a plus, it's a buy. So full review of the Arccaptain grinder. I really like it, so I think people should buy it. Not expensive, very cool. So if you want a discount, you can use my code ARCSCULPTURE, like my Facebook page. I'm gonna put a link of the grinder and all in the description. So for me, it's a A1 grinder, it's a must buy. So thank you for watching, and sorry for my English, I'm not that good, but I try. So bye-bye. Thank you for watching.